Hey, good morning, fellas. Good morning. Good morning. We are live. We are live. Happy Thursday. Jake Dell, good morning. Fred Yeager, good morning. Timbo, how we doing, fellas? Black Coffee Trader in the house. Good morning. Jason Borges, good morning. Tech 111, good morning. Best Guest Trading, good morning. Ramiron 295 touchdown, good morning. Sam Owen, good morning. Jack Wiley, Costy Tanush, good morning. Sean Trader, Daniels, Dean Bishop, good morning. Techniques, Barefoot Greenback, good morning. Thor, good morning. Clyde, Dabda, good morning. John, Zugfest, M. Susan, good morning. Daniel, Max, Frank Mortimer, Farhan, Classic Man, PHC, Wall Street, good morning, Mr. Wall Street. Barefoot, Nick Fudge, Timely Bible Verse, good morning. Niles, good morning. All right, market. What is it gonna be today? We had a pretty, man, look at this sick, insane yesterday, ripping higher, dumping, and tested the 500s. Well, not quite. And then we had NVIDIA earnings right back up. Unbelievable. The highs of the overnight session are, let me look. What are the highs? The overnight session highs are all the way up there at the 250s. 25 250s. It should be another crazy day. It should be another crazy day. Yeah, Barefoot Greenback's a great name. PDSW RXHX, good morning. Blew my 150K Pro overnight, so pretty annoyed. I'm sorry, RX. That is so annoying. That is super annoying. No trades in the overnight for me. Let's hope we get a clean setup today. Love to take that one clean, I love to have a really clean setup this morning. All right, market. We are right here. Kind of VWAP has held so far. Obviously, feel like if we look at the 60-minute chart on the NQ, we have some pretty important level up here, the 25 358s. Feel like if we can make a move above the 350s, we've got some room to the upside. If we can't get above the 300 350s, I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. If we can't get above that, I think we could potentially see another pullback, but I'm hoping we just keep going higher today. I love to see a slow grind higher kind of day, but we're probably going to get a lot of volatility again. That's at least been the trend lately. Lots of volatility, big moves higher, big moves lower. Really whipsawy kind of price action. Peter Schaap, good morning. The Hoodie Trader, good morning. Almighty Arrow Squad, good morning. Let's see, can this thing keep going or not? Hey, good morning, Golf Guy Mike. How we doing? Ian Connor, Lawrence Harris, good morning. Careful, Nutty. No quant guard lockout available since yesterday. Ian Connor. Really? I was able. It worked for what? Was that through Rhythmic? Ian Connor. Are you talking about Rhythmic or? Hey, good morning, Clarity. Oh, the website is down. What? It wasn't for me. That is, let me check something. Thanks for letting me know, Ian Connor. Futures focused trading. Good morning. Yeah, mine worked yesterday. Hey, Matty Matt is in the building. Good morning. Anybody pass some Apex? By the way, well, I shouldn't jinx this. I'll try not to say this too loud, but I think the Apex website is working again. I think, but at least it was working. I'm actually going to try see if it's working right now. Seems to be a little bit slow. This morning it worked fine, but it seems like during the day, for some reason, now it's not working again. What the world? It was working. Let me check something else. Hey, Citizen Zero, good morning. Wow, market struggling to go higher right now. All right, we are testing VWAP again. Yeah, if we lose the VWAP here, we might come down and retest like the 25.070, 080 area, maybe. I don't know. That definitely getting a pullback here. Yeah, I was able to log into. And bouncing off the VWAP once again. Is Rhythmic delayed for anyone else? Jim JB, I mean, I've heard that there's been some. Oh, come on. Wow, look at that. Ripping straight back up. Tested the VWAP once again. And let's see. Are we going to break out now? Man, we cannot we cannot get above that 230 area. Man, look at this market. Very choppy open compared. The last couple days we had a very clean move. Now the market going sideways, just chopping. 160s in the 230s. All right. Hey, Max 90, Gutenberg. Good morning. Good morning. I see. Yeah, that's interesting. Hey, you're done for the day. 3K on your pro account? Let's go, Ian Connor. Unqualified people out there selling products. Those people need to take responsibility for what? Who was it, Niles? Oh, not. Oh, really, Niles? Yeah, I'm sure he's mad. Get guy is an actual idiot. Oh, wow. Look at this. Right back up. Okay. Can we make new highs? Can we make new highs? We got to break above that 260 area. Got to break above the 260s. Let's see. Let's see if we can break new highs. There we go. Popping up through the 250s. She's a ripper. All right, we definitely could get a setup here. We feel like we don't have to wait. We might not have to wait quite as long to get a setup today. Oh, really? Take Profit Trader was laggy? Yeah. Twice hit buy. Oh, I see, John. Yeah, that's always scary. Remember, if you're sure you hit the buy button, but nothing happens, just take your hands away from the mouse. If you're sure you hit the buy button, just don't touch anything. Don't touch a thing. All right, market. I really hope we don't just chop today. Come on. I mean, we barely made new highs. We basically swept the London highs and now pulling back once again. Now we pull back right back into the range. Okay, it's going to be that kind of day, huh? Going to be that kind of day, I guess, huh? Does anyone trust these trade copiers to multiple trade live accounts on them? Oh boy, I don't know, John. I mean, supposedly they work, but live account? Hey, Ace Undercover, good morning. Fix Living, good morning. So 228K profit on 6 million account. Wait, what? FX Living. So 228K profit on 6 million account. What? What? Oh, yeah. Fix Living. That's not really a good number to. That is not the dollar amount of capital that I am trading. I am trading basically, let me look. Let me do some math. So basically 5,000 on average drawdown on the 150Ks, which is 325, 30. See, I'd be about 196,000. 196,000 in actual drawdown that I am trading. But who's counting? All right, market. This is going to be a challenging day the way this is playing out. Very choppy. This is like totally opposite from the last couple days. Last couple days, we've had this crazy rip higher or lower, and then we had to wait and wait and wait till we finally got an entry. But now it's just, we're not going anywhere. We're just going sideways. But it's fine. Right now, I just want to see us break back above the 270s. Garrett Hare, hey, good morning, Garrett. You should show him the spreadsheet with your return on investment. Oh, I'm not sure if FX Living was for real or not. I think he's just trolling. It's okay. We have news at 10. Oh, really? We haven't had like I know we had news this morning, but we do have news at 10, existing home sales. So thank you for that. Yeah, Nvidia had earnings last night. We had obviously Nvidia earnings, I guess, were good. I mean, we had a big rip here. All right, let's get above that 260 area. Come on. Rip it. We really need to rip back above the 260s and then maybe go test the 300s, I guess. Your golf buddy should be in the money even more today. Hey, Detonator. Good morning, Patrick Duran. I loaded up 20 Apex evals with my code. Let's go, Patrick Duran. I appreciate it. Thank you very much. I do appreciate the support. Hey, good morning, Sharoos. We're doing great. We are doing great. We're just chilling, wanting this market to rip, waiting for this market to give us new highs. Come on. Come on. Rip it up above the 270 into the 300s. And then we just wait for a pullback. Didn't he? Oh, you mean the NVIDIA? Yes, Detonator. It took a second to. I'm a little slow this morning. Yeah, I actually thought about him when I saw the earnings call. He was like, there goes my golfing buddy, just made an extra couple 100,000 on that. Oh, it's crazy. Guy's a legend. All right, there we go. Up above the 280s. Let's see if we get to the 300s. See if we can test the 300s, but we are starting to, this is what we needed for a setup. So this is what we needed. How do they move you from Pro to Pro Plus? They don't give you a choice, I don't think, Sharoos. You will just basically, you'll get an email and then you just have to wait till they set up your account. Wouldn't you recommend holding up on new evals with Black Friday? Right? TK, I have no idea, but it's very unlikely that Apex will do a special sale for Black Friday. They usually don't. Usually, if anything, I expect this sale to be extended. I don't really expect anything better. I don't know. I shouldn't say so, but just going off of the previous years, they usually don't run like Black Friday kind of sales. But I don't know. Hey, Camber Trades in the building. Do they give you a choice not to go? But, oh, you say you don't want to go live, Sharoos? Honestly, Sharoos, Take Profit Trader is the only prop firm where it is actually a benefit to go to a live account, for real. Apex had a flash 90% off for Cyber Monday. I see. Here's the thing. I would be seriously doubtful that they're going to run a 90% sale. If they do, the activation fees are probably not going to be $40. I would be shocked. I would be shocked if that's the case. But hey, I have no idea. I do not know. Would you be considered a professional trader if you go to live, Sharoos? No, I don't think there's any. At least, I mean, I guess I don't know enough about that to really say, but I don't think so. I don't think that's that big of a deal. Does Take Profit Trader still do the 50% off? I think they're 40% off. Take Profit Trader has had this promotion, 40% off, no activation fee for probably 6 months now. So I would assume that is, doesn't professional mean, and again, this is like if you're trading like for an actual brick and mortar, you have like your Series 7 license. I don't know, I guess I shouldn't speak on this because I'm not sure. I am not sure. It isn't Wall Street? Okay, Wall Street probably knows more about that than I do. And John, you guys know more about that than I do. All right, there we go. Market about to test the 300s. Here we go. There it is, 300s. 300s have been tickled. The 300s have been tickled. All right. I mean, I'm trying to think, do I take this entry if we get an entry? It's kind of early in the day for an entry, but probably do. All right, market. If we rip up through the 300s, we really just need a pullback. That's all we need. Hey, Cody. If we get a pullback and we get an entry here, I will take it. It's time to pay attention. See if we can get a pullback into the 240s here. Oh, come on, come on, give it to me. Give me a nice setup here. Come on. That's all I ask. I'm afraid it's not gonna give me a big enough pullback, and we're just gonna keep ripping higher now. Oh well. 65 resting heart rate is honestly very good for my age. And Tony, really? Hey, I'll take it. Professional. Professional simply means being paid for said work. I see. Do you have a limit number of highs? But wouldn't that make all of us professional? Because if we trade and get paid, we're getting paid for the work, right? Or I don't know. I made $4,499.50 today. Staying under the 50% on your TPT eval. Let's go, Orlando. Nice, nice. Being a financial service provider, being registered as a professional trader with a regulatory body, or being affiliated with an entity that provides financial services. Interesting. Interesting. Yeah, I was afraid of this. Now is this just gonna rip right back up? Feels bad. Or maybe not. Maybe we get a pullback. I'm 23 and I average 80 plus resting heart rate. Oh, wow. Do I use Aura Ring? I use Whoop. I have the Whoop device is what I use to track my heart rate. Hyperimmune says, wait, you all are getting paid? Okay, Miss. Okay, I see. Are you all talking about for data? Yes, for data, Mr. Wall Street. For data is what I'm talking about. Why do I like the 2-minute chart better? I mean, I don't know. I've just always liked the 2-minute chart. I've had it for so much. Oh, wow. Look at this pullback. Oh, boys. Hold on. Hold up. Wait a minute. Big rip here now. Bigger pullback. Now we wait. All right. Continuing to pull back here. Bigger pullback. I don't know. Starting to not like this. I don't like it. We could get a setup here, I guess. It's a little bit of a, I don't know, little questionable long here. Oh man. Might not get it set up now. Day 1J, good morning. He's not licensed. He says when we go live with props, are we now considered professional? Right. Yep. On my live account with Ninja, I'm registered as a non-pro. I see. Okay, that's interesting. Okay. Makes sense though. All right, market, big pullback here. Almost 100 points here. And we're just going straight down now. Back to the regularly scheduled program with NQ. We go up, we go big down, big up. No pullback for you. The moment I went long. Do you use ES or NVIDIA Confluent? I don't. I only look at NQ on the 2-minute. Is currently what I'm doing. Yeah, the Apex website's slow again. I don't know. Man, we're just bleeding lower. Selling off here. No buyers. No buyers anymore. Just going down. Here we go. Testing VWAP. Yep. The stairs up and take the elevator down. That's what they say. Maybe we get another VWAP bounce, I guess. Is this a setup? Not really. I mean, the problem here is we're right back in this chop fest and really not, just really not interested in trading in the middle of this chop fest. Let's see if the VWAP keeps holding. Looks like we're going to bounce. I mean, this is tempting. It's tempting to take this, but VWAP bounce is potential here. If the VWAP doesn't hold, if the 160s don't hold, it might go, I don't know. We might get a short setup before we get a long setup. But this is not exactly what I wanted to see for a setup. Is that a whoop? Life is peachy? Yes, this is a whoop. This is a whoop. Whoopity whoop. Kind of a weird name. All right, I'm going to grab a water. I need to grab a water, and I'll be right back. Oh, we're back. I need something. Oh, the VWAP was tested. Mm. Hey, Joe Crypto. Bless you as well, Joe. Thank you. Thank you. Patrick and D Maya are killing it, going short. Hey, good for them, man. All right, I guess we can get a short setup here if we make a move below the VWAP and then test the 21. If we test these EMAs, we can get a short setup here. Mm. We're trying to get a bounce here on the VWAP. Trying very, very hard. See if we can get it going. Hmm. All right, here we go. There we go. Right back up. The VWAP has held. Mm. Mm. Oh man, that was delicious. I love those kind bars. Those kind bars. I might have to change my official name. Might have to change my name to Kind Bars Trading. It is kind of sad. It's probably been 2 months since I've had a nutty bar. That is kind of going off brand, man. Starting to feel like I'm living a lot. I'm living a lie. What kind of kind bar is it? Here. The kind bar is a salted caramel dark chocolate nut. I'm an imposter. I know, right? Who is this man and what has he done with the real Nutty? That's a fair question right there. May the real Nutty please stand up. Oh, hang on. I have to take this call. We're back. We got a delivery. There's more stuff coming to the house today, and he just said he's on his way. I thought he was here. All right. I mean, we could see this roll over from here. I mean, Nutty Bar Corporation was about to offer you $1 million sponsorship till they saw this. Hey, I will eat Nutty Bars again if they sponsor me. I will. I'm going on strike. Is Nutty Bar an ice cream, Fred Yeager? No, it's like a wafer wrapped in chocolate. Oh, just talking about it makes me want to go get some right now and eat one. Hey, there's the break back above. All right. We are I don't know. Seem like I don't know. It's just right now we're trading in a range. Trading in the range. There is a Nutty Bar ice cream bar. Yes, there is. I have had them. Yeah, PHC trader. We're right in the middle of this opening range. Again, before I take a long now, we need to make new highs. We need to get above the 300s, and then we can look for another entry long. Until then, I mean, we just wait. Now, the other way, we could see a short if we get down below the 140s and then see a short entry, then we'll take it. But I don't know. Right now, this is completely opposite of the last 2 days. The last couple of days, we had insane moves at the open, and today it's a chop fest. Go figure. Oh man, this market. Do the little Debbie call you earlier about naming rights? No, they did not, Niles. Nope. Finish for the day, Christopher. Nicely done. Nicely done. I am once again starting to wonder if I'm going to get a setup today. Every morning, it never fails. Every morning I'm like, man, I'm never getting a setup today. Feel like I do that every single morning. It happens. And I think it's just me trying to like manifest a setup, but I really don't need to do that. I do feel I do say yesterday was like the first day that I really felt where it was the first day where I felt concerned that I wouldn't follow my plan. Yesterday was like the first day where I was just starting to have some bad thoughts. I started having some bad thoughts about, hey, I was getting so frustrated with being patient that I was starting to get those thoughts of, oh, let's just enter a trade here. What's the worst that could happen? Yada, yada, yada. Trying to like convince myself it's okay to take any setup and just go with it, see what happens. But we didn't do it. I'm proud of that. We stayed true and we followed the plan, but I will say today I feel way better. Today, my patience tank is full. My patience tank is full. I think yesterday part of the problem was I was red on the overnight trade. The overnight trade was a red trade. And then it just kind of, I had the mentality of I need to make back that loss. And I would start the patience. I think that's what kind of triggered that, but hey, we're okay. Everybody's fine. Technically, nutty bars are called nutty buddy bars. That is true, best guess trading. It used to be nutty bars way back when, like 10, 15 years ago. It used to be called nutty bars, the brand that I was eating. But anyway, that's why the name, I just stuck with the original name. By the way, I should tell you guys. So, you know how, I mean, and sometimes I play video games. So I was playing last night for the first time in a long time. I played some Escape from Tarkov. I played some Escape from Tarkov. And now again, you guys have to understand that you got to understand that game to really appreciate this. But man, I was playing solo, which is very intense and very stressful playing solo. It's a survival game. And I was in a raid and I was I was in a bush. I wish I would have recorded this. This would make some great content, but I was in a bush, okay? I was hiding in a bush. And I did not want anybody to see me. I was fine. I just wanted to go along my way, do a couple of my tasks. I was hiding in a bush, and here comes a beef, just completely Chads. 4 Chads come walking down through, and I see him. And my heart rate, I'm not joking. I was watching my heart rate, and these 4 Chads just walk right in front of me. I'm sitting in the bush, completely still. I am not moving a muscle. And my heart rate was at 110 beats a minute. Oh my gosh. So that was hilarious. I'm like, why my heart rate is, I am not made for this. I'm like, you know what? I only played that one round and ended up going back. I'm like, yeah, I think I'll stick to I think I will stick to playing like Farming Simulator, maybe some Flight Simulator. I'll do that. My heart can't handle the Escape from Tarkov. Question with the Apex 50K accounts. If you are up 5K, do I still have to worry about a 2.5K trailing stop? No. Once you get your trailing drawdown above the threshold, which is 2,600 technically, that trailing drawdown stops at 2,600, and that's it. Which of the Whoop subscription did I get? I believe I got the middle one, M. Susan. Like I think there's like a low, middle, high end. I think I got the middle one. All right, we are slowly grinding higher. I mean, this is kind of what I wanted to see. This is what I wanted to see. So let's now just make new highs. And we wait till we get new highs, and then we look for a trade. Hopefully we get a really clean setup and like a 200-point move. Unlikely, but hey, we can dream. Let the man dream. Now, I'm trying to debate what I want to do if we see a pullback here. I mean, I got to wait for new highs, though. We got to wait for new highs. I mean, I feel like we could. Like, if we pull back into this EMA and we get a good entry, then it's a risky one. I don't like trading right here in the middle of this opening range yet. I think the smart play here is to wait till we make new highs, get above the 25,300s, and then wait for a pullback. And right back up. Come on, just rip it. Rip it back above the 300s and let's go. Give me a setup. Looking at the pre-market, that's the bull trend you want. Yeah, I agree. I agree, Clyde. I mean, we just got to wait. Market is very choppy today. Overnight move was not terrible. Overnight move, we had a nice clean move, but then we just kind of went sideways. Really didn't do much. There is nothing right now that says to go short. I don't know. What do you mean? Oh, me What is it about a short position that you don't understand? I'm not sure what you mean. What do you mean, what I don't understand? What is happening with QuantGuard? Yeah, so QuantGuard is down right now because of the issues with Cloudflare. Cloudflare is affecting QuantGuard, so it's unfortunate. NFP, yeah, we did have NFP this morning. We did rip higher. Everything points kind of bullish, but all right, trying to break above the 280s now. We got to get above that 300s. Come on. Here we go. 285s, 290s. She ripping. I would love a move above the 300s, and then we just start to slowly grind higher the rest of the day. I would be so down for that kind of market today. I would be so down. Hey, there she goes, boys. 305s, 308s. She's a ripper. You hate to see it, the wolf. I realize. Okay, I see what you mean. You hate to see it. When I get my Take Profit Pro account, not sure why they gave me 2 accounts. What? You got 2 accounts, Sharoos? I guess, Merry Christmas. All right. Now, give us an entry. Come on. You can do it. Is one a free eval? I mean, you should be able to see if it says Take Profit Trader Pro, then it's a pro account. Does it say pro account on both? Hey, can you borrow $11.15? Sure, Tate, not a problem. Let me send it right over. Why? What's the problem? That is, I'm not sure what that is about, Sharoos. Wait, Hawkeye Boy, that happened to you as well? Oh, it was in Ninja, but not the dashboard in Take Profit Trader. I see. It's pro on both. I wonder if it's a glitch. It doesn't show up on your dashboard, and it's just a glitch with Tradeovate, maybe. I wonder if it's an. I don't know. I would suspect it's probably a glitch. All right, market. I like what I'm seeing. I like what is happening right now. We might, if the volatility keeps dying down, we might be able to go to 3 micros today. Possibly. You were able to trade the non-dashboard account. I bet I know what it is, Hawkeye Boy. The Take Profit Trader just announced that they are now transitioning over to the Trade of 8 prop and making Trade of 8 prop available to everybody. And I wonder if the old Trade of 8 versus the new Trade of 8 prop, and that's why it's creating two accounts. I wonder. I'm just speculating. I don't know for sure, but very likely only one of them is real. So make sure you trade the one that is actually on your dashboard. That happened to me once as well. I traded and was going to play dumb at payout, but you blew it. Hey, good effort. Good effort, huh? Seems like Nutty is too scared to get into the trades. Raise here. Raise, sir. I just follow my strategy if that's okay with you. All right, let's get a pullback. If we can get a pullback right down to the 250s, that's what we're looking for. They've been using Trade prop for weeks. Yeah, I don't know what it is. I don't know what it is. Come on, market. We need a little bit bigger pullback here. Come on. I need to use the restroom right now, but we're getting close to a potential setup, so I can't go. If we just have to, we might need to invest in adult diapers. I did get one free credit for an email, so I don't know. It was usable for Rhythmic. Okay, Captain Crunch. It should be. Hey, thank you, David Knight. Thank you. Come on, pullback market. Hey, Cho Crypto, I'll take a look at that. Thank you. Come on, market. Really? Just gonna go right back up. We're not getting a big enough pullback for the entries here. Oh, by the way, guys, so tomorrow I just realized that we leave. So our flight is at 7 o'clock here. We land in Ohio at 8. I should be actually back home by like around 9:30. We might actually be able to stream tomorrow, fellas. We might be able to stream tomorrow. And we will if we can. I thought, yeah, I didn't realize that our flight was that early. I was going to buy another Evo and there was a credit for one. I used it for Rhythmic. It works, so I don't know. Free stuff. Yeah. The credits. So all of the account credits, everything, that should work for Rhythmic or Trade of 8. One Up Trader, I don't know anything about them. Get the fisherman's urinal for under your desk. Do a Depends sponsorship. Ah. Oh man. Uh Hey, there's a bigger pull. Oh, see, now we have a different kind of problem. Oh man, are you serious? Now we have a different kind of problem. Hey, Joe Crypto. Thanks for the email, by the way. Thanks for the email. I just replied. That's very odd. That's very weird. Yeah, let me know. Let me know. I sent you a screenshot, so maybe you can share that with support, but you should have the credit. I don't understand. But yeah, let me know. Oh, right. Market. Whoa. Big pullback now. See, now I'm not like, I hate. Oh, this is unfortunate, man. This is kind of unfortunate. We technically missed, we didn't make new highs here. Now we're just right back in that 15-minute opening range again. Hey, no problem, Joe. Yeah, let me know. Let me know if you have any more, if you have if you keep having issues. Sorry, I missed your post from last Friday. I meant to let you know I had a good laugh about this. Should have given some cash to the poor. Captain Crunch. This price action is completely different from yesterday. Yes, it is, Clack. Very different. Very different from the last couple days. Last couple days have been very volatile, and now, I mean, this is still volatile, but not like it was. Hey, Jose, when getting those accounts, did you pass one by one? No, I did not, Jose. So I'll give you a little bit of a rundown. So these trade day accounts, which by the way, are officially now passed, and we should get our 3 more funded accounts added to the arsenal tomorrow morning if we can get the paperwork in time. But I passed these 6 funded next accounts at once, these 3 funding ticks at once, these 5 Lucid, which these 5 Lucid were direct accounts, so didn't have to pass them. Actually, the funding ticks were direct accounts as well. My fund of futures, those 5 were passed at one time. And then for Apex, I passed these 5, and then these 5, and then the 10 is kind of the sequence in how I pass those accounts. So basically, I passed them like 5 at a time. The most I passed was 10 Apex at one time on a news event. Wow, this market is something else today. Hang on, guys. I gotta check something. Hey, we're back. Sorry about that. The delivery has arrived. Now I should go put that stuff together. Kind Bar Trading 67 in the building. Let's go, Kind Bar. I love it. I love it. It's 11 a.m. and the 15-minute looks like this. I know, Clack. Look at this 15-minute chart. This is, I mean, that's pretty bad looking 15-minute candle. Starting to look like we're going to get a short setup today here before we get along. We are officially now closing below VWAP for the first time today. But we're right here at this 160 support, which has held. We've tested this 160 3 different times. All right, let's see. There she goes. New lows on the day. Down below the 140s now. Interesting. You just traded 3 minis by accident. One of the few times a mistake worked in your favor. Let's go, Dale. Might be a good sign to walk away. Yeah, there is a regular traded hours gap down below. That is true because of NVIDIA earnings. All righty. Down tested the 120s. Let's see. Will we get a bounce here? Does not look like it. We wait. Now we wait. Unbelievable. The patience bucket is definitely being tested. And my heart rate never went above 65, Dale. I bet it did not. You think we dropped to the London lows? Like if, okay, let's look here. 15-minute chart. I think we had, the regular traded hours gap is pretty crazy, but even the 25,020s right here, maybe we want to come retest this level maybe. But right now, it's looking like we want to sell off. Does Funded Next allow copy trading? Jay, I believe they do. I'm pretty sure they do. Yes, the FNF is Funded Next accounts. Yes. Down we go, testing the 110s. Man. And there's the 100s, 25 100s being tested. Looks like we're finally getting a move here. Wow, we're really selling off here, guys. 2580s now. Man, we're about to test those 2550s. What is going on? Okay, man, look at, oh, it's so these EMAs are all the way up here. Come on, man. We're 100 points away. This makes it so hard to be patient. Some days I'm like, I need to start trading this 10 EMA or a 9 EMA. Crazy. It just feels like we don't get many. But we got to be patient. The market don't make sense. This is also the 5-minute 200 EMA, Danny. Oh, really? I see. Big bear bar 1050 and 3 points of contact on the move up. I see. Good to know. Yeah, David. All right, here's another leg. Another leg lower. Right back down to the 2580s. I kind of expect this 2540, 2550 area to be tested again. Let's wait and see. Oh man. We are it's 11 o'clock and we still haven't had a setup. Okay, there we go. 2565s. I mean, this doesn't even seem like this crazy of a move, but it is over 200 points. It's over 200 points to the downside, so it is still a big move. Why this drop, Shrews? You tell me, then we'll both know. You tell me, and then we'll both know. I have no idea. But right now, I mean, I'm glad that I didn't. I mean, at least I'm not getting any fake trap entries. But I'm also just not getting any entries. Period. Just nothing. All right, here we go. Let's see if the 50s. What happens here? Wait, I'm buffering? Why am I buffering? It shouldn't. I think everything's fine on my end. Hey, Miss K91. All right. Trying to get a bounce off of the 50s here. Again, we got some support down here from the overnight session. But the overnight session low is technically down here at the 24,956. So another 100 points lower. Man, we've had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Wow, look at this drop. We've had 14 out of the last 14 candles, 13 of them have been red. So it's a pretty crazy sell off here. Pretty crazy, man. 25.020s, 25.10s. We just dumping. We are just dumping down through this. Trying to get a bounce off the 25.020s, but hey, VATQ, I'm caught up. Okay. Did I have issues with my stream? I don't think I did. But maybe I did. That was my setup, but it happened quick and sold off violently. Jumped in and almost missed it, but caught a little. Nice JHC. Like, love it. Fed Cook is cooking the market with the wait, is there comments right now? Hey, Nick Fudge, thank you. I mean, yeah. Trying to be patient, but man, that's getting harder to do because of these. Seems like we are just not getting any setups. I mean, this is a pretty crazy move for 11 o'clock. Usually 11 o'clock, we don't get, these are the kind of moves we usually see right at the open. And we are just continuing to sell off. Down through the 20s. Market is crazy. I mean, we basically, I mean, looking back at this, we swept the 300s, made an attempt at new highs, and boom, that was it. That was it. We just absolutely tanked since then. So if anybody took the shorts up there on that fake double or that missed double top up there, that's crazy. 980s now. We're just not seeing, we're seeing zero buying here. Dumping all the way down through the 25,000s. Again, we have the NVIDIA earnings. If we look at pre-NVIDIA earnings, is down here the 24,750s. I don't know. Overnight low, 955s. Well, technically that's where the market opened last night. So maybe we just want to reclaim those lows of the overnight, and but I don't know. This is just straight down, fellas. Look at this go. Overnight lows. Boom. There you go. 955s are gone. I'm starting to wonder, okay, is there news? It's starting to look a little bit weird. It is starting to become a little weird. Crazy market. Talk about going straight down. This is it. Straight down, no bounce, nothing. Crazy. There she goes. New lows. 960s down through the 950, testing the 940s. I don't know, man. I don't know. We got to be getting a bounce here soon, right? Right? Wow. What a time to be alive. Hey, let's go, John. You longed. Did you get that bounce? Nicely done. Nicely done. We need a FOMO meter. My meter of FOMO right now would be maxed out. It'd be like doing this. It'd be doing the shivering right now. Unbelievable. Is it time to go long now? I mean, you would think we get some kind of bounce here at some point. This is some pretty sick, insane selling here. I mean, I feel like there's like no chance we get it set up here. I mean, no chance. Literally no shot. Almost like, I hate to do this, but it's almost at the point where I got some furniture and stuff I need to put together. I got stuff I need to do before the flight tomorrow morning. I might just need to go do that. This looks unfortunately doesn't look like we're going to get a setup. Makes me sad. Yeah, you need to get out. Yeah, see, that's the problem with some of these bounces. Like, I mean, this was a 40-point bounce, and now it's just another 60 points lower, down to the 920s now. You gotta be very, very careful if you try to catch. When trying to catch these bottoms, you gotta be careful. Because if you're wrong, you will see some massive pain. pain like you've never experienced before. Yeah, somebody's got to be taking profits, Carolina. Somebody. Who's going long? Well, at least you can chalk this up as a green day. I mean, technically, it's a green day. I mean, if we're going to be technical, but technically those are evals, so I'm pretty sure I can't count that. You had stepped away from your computer and took a negative 400 on that double top, managed to get back in green now. Let's go. Got all of them. Hey, good luck, John. Good luck, John. Feel like we are at least starting to get some buyers here or profit taking, whatever it be. Trying to get a bounce here off the 940s. Is it time for the V-shaped reversal? Is the V-shaped reversal here? It's just crazy. Like, it's actually insane how this market moves lately. It's only a 400-point move. Only 400 points. Nothing to see here. Do you guys remember when we would get 100-point moves and it'd be like, oh, wow, that was a nice move. 100 points. 100-point move right now is just a small pullback. It's like, just a little pullback here. Oh, really, John? Uh-oh, that's always interesting. Yeah, back in the day. Starting to sound like I'm old. Oh, man, I'm seriously contemplating just walking away. I might come back and look at the market this afternoon, but I actually need to kind of go. I kind of need to go, and I just don't think we're going to get any setup here. Look at that. Down through the 900s, just new low after new low, just straight down. I'm getting FOMO here big time. The FOMO is real. Ugh. Unbelievable. 50 points, just boom, like that. Like, this is what's crazy. We had this little bounce. So let me look. From the 920s, we bounced from the 920s all the way up to the 970s. So we bounced 50 points, and just like that, we sold off 80 points. You better put on your big boy pants if you're trading this. Ay, 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 ay. Anyone watching Benjamin Rive trades? No. Hey, thank you, TCM Trades. I mean, I've talked about this before, but part of the reason that I have, part of the reason that it's easier for me to be patient is the fact that I'm copy trading 44 accounts. If I was only copy trading 5 accounts, I would take a lot more trades. I know I would. Just because I would think it doesn't matter if I take one loss. Or it doesn't matter if it's not a great setup. I'll just, I'll just take one small little trade here. But doing 44 accounts, I want to only take a good setup. All right, guys, I'm serious. I think I'm going to walk away. I'm going to walk away. If we do get a setup, at some point today, I'll be checking the charts. If we do get a setup, I might take one. But man, right now it doesn't look like we're even going to get one. It's just kind of crazy. Kind of crazy, not going to lie. All right, guys, I'm going to call it a day. I will possibly be trading tomorrow and streaming from Ohio. It's probably going to be a little bit later start to the day, but I do think I'll be able to stream tomorrow from Ohio. So we're this next week. We are going to be in Ohio. So back to gloomy Ohio we go. I'm looking forward to seeing family, though. Looking forward to that. All right, guys. Appreciate all the support. Again, like always, thank you. I hope you guys have a great day. And hope you stay green. Be careful with this kind of market. Be careful. Like, we have all seen it. As hard of a sell-off as this is, we know NQ can V-shape reverse 300 points back up just as easy. So just be careful, stay safe, and take care. We will see you guys hopefully tomorrow. Take care, and God bless. Thank you, Nick Fudge. Thank you.